3D printed houses in California have turned out to be more expensive than traditional frame houses. In Yuba County, California, construction has begun on the state's first neighborhood of 3D printed homes. The project is being developed by 4D-Printed, and the first house is already ready for sale. The 1,000 square foot home, about 93 square meters, took 24 days to complete. Future homes are expected to take just 10 days to print. In total, the company plans to build 5 houses. The price of the first home is $375,000. While that is below the median home price in Yuba County, around $450,000, the price per square foot is significantly higher than the local average, $375 versus $268. According to 4D-Printed founder Nan Lin, the homes feature thick concrete walls that improve energy efficiency. The structures are resistant to fire, pests, mold, and can even withstand pistol shots. These factors could potentially reduce insurance costs. However, challenges remain. Traditional frame houses are still cheaper and offer a wide variety of layouts. 3D printed homes currently provide fewer design options, and remodeling is more complex and expensive. The key question now is whether buyers are ready to embrace this new construction technology. If you enjoy tech and innovation news, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.